Haka jingyo ban thao no da ka Meghalaya chapter ka Indian Society of Radiographers and Technologies ISRT kala yo ban penlong ya ka program ka ban ningkong e jong ka forum haka jilla Meghalaya ka bakila la ban rakhe ya ka International Radiology Day arja arpulai ka baju rakhe manlaus nam hau nai nai wing yakane ka program la penlong hni ka sngi ka pratare unai wing arja arpulai haka hall jong ka Dr. H.G. Robert Hospital da ka jingthmu ban ai burami ki technologist haka radiology ki bala treshi tom na ka banta ban ai ka jing sumar ka bapaka ya ki patba haka ni ka sngi u Dr. C. Daniela bolong u medical superintendent but head of department jong ka radiology but imaging ka negrims bolong kumukong san but haba ai jing kran ulong bala bon bha ki jing kala haka technology but ka jinglong advance jong ka radiology nadu bala shamning kong house nam khat praspa khnai san da Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen ubala jutep kumukpa ka radiology Shushu ong ru bakinong tray bat kinong panggi bapanan kamya ka radiology kidan kambha ban Phikir bat ban board ya ki lat jingada ban light na jing Ktah haka radiation ulakan turu na ka board sarkar ban petho ban bo da ki policy ban don ki radiographers ne ki radiologists ki ban longker pang hakir kom test ba pher jong ka radiology na marka jingkiu haka jingdawa ka balong paka haka tanat radiology.
Today, as we are gathered here to celebrate this International Day of Radiology, a day that honors incredible contributions of radiographers worldwide. Radiography, a vital component of modern healthcare, plays an indispensable role in diagnosing illnesses, guiding treatments, and ultimately saving lives. As we commemorate this day, it is crucial to recognize the dedication, the expertise, and the unwavering commitment of radiographers. Their tireless efforts, their skill, their compassion shine brightly in the healthcare landscape. Their precision and proficiency in operating advanced imaging technologies are instrumental in providing accurate diagnosis and aiding in patient care. The theme for this year's World Radiography Day is Celebrating Patients' Safety, underscores the pivotal role that radiographers play within the healthcare ecosystem. The theme emphasizes the importance of a professional role in maintaining the efficiency of healthcare systems and in ensuring patient safety beyond radiation protection. Moreover, the advancements in radiography technology have been phenomenal, revolutionizing the way we approach with medical diagnosis and treatment. From X-rays and CT scans to MRI and ultrasound, these technologies continue to evolve, becoming safer, more precise and more accessible, thereby improving patient outcomes and advancing medical knowledge. However, as we celebrate the achievements in radiography, let us also acknowledge the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Continuous education, adaptation to technological advancements, and the pursuit of best practices are essential to ensure that radiographers remain at the forefront in delivering high-quality healthcare services. I believe that the SRT Meghalaya chapter will play a big role in this area and to ensure that our technologists are updated with the most recent techniques and contemporary services to the patients in our state.
I myself, I consider to be a layman. I don't know what radiology is all about. What I can learn is through, of course, I was holding the post of the Secretary of the Government of Meghalaya of the Health and Welfare Department. So at least something I know what is radiology about. Other than that, I have never studied radiology in my career. So, frankly speaking, I'm a layman. But thinking that since an opportunity has been given like this, I said, okay, what is that? The importance, I may therefore, from what speakers have, the past speakers must have already delivered, I could figure that the elements that are necessary for a radiologist is, number one is the commitment, the leadership, integrity, professionalism, compassion and creativity. These are the 5 elements that probably is very, very important. Of course, we will not dwell into each one of those, but these are the elements that are really important for a radiologist. Because what I can understand about the importance of radiology Radiology is the medical field that uses imaging technology to identify and treat conditions affecting human and animal bodies. That is to diagnose and treat diseases. But why? Why that we hold this program today? We are holding this program today that the occurrence of the adverse events, this probably we have not discussed much in details. The adverse events as a result of the unsafe care is likely one of the world's 10 top cases of mortality and disability because of the unsafe care. If you see the figures, I was just reading this morning, that the death barrier is high in low and middle income countries. The death due to radiation, the adverse effect of radiation is high in the low and income countries of the world. Now, people, I understand there are also people that are experiencing this radiophobia. What is radiophobia? What I can understand it is a fear of ionizing radiation. Because, for example, there are people who refuse even for X-ray because they believe that X-ray will kill them. Or even there's a misconception that people say that once you are exposed to X-ray, you will develop cancer, but later will kill you in adult life. So these are kind of the misconception that we need, therefore, through this kind of awareness from, I request the ISRT not only to bring this awareness kind of a program or a workshop, whatever you call it, not only in the confines of the urban city, but also in the semi-urban or even in the rural areas. This is very, very important because, especially our hospital, that many times because the hospital caters mostly from those people who are among the marginalized section of society. You find there are people who are even fearing to go for X-ray, even for MRI or even for CT scan. So this kind of thing needs to be make them understand the importance, as Dr. Daniela has mentioned, that through this radiology, it even helps the doctor to pinpoint exactly where the disease is. Because without which it's very, very difficult, but people in the wrong diagnosis, what I can understand. So this will also help to elevate the academic capacity of today's radiological technologies.
Hakani ka jing rakhi ya ka International Radiology Day araja arpulai la ai kusnam ru ya ki samla puli ka Martin Luther Christian University ki bala shimbanta ka radiology poster but model competition hakabala don ru uba pensngan lang sumer Supervisor Department of Radiology and Imaging Nigrams ubalong kumusembot kongsan u Administrative Officer jong ka Robert Hospital uba KW Marbanyang u Medical Superintendent ka Robert Hospital Shillong Dr. Arnong Rom pat kiwe